Class. Today chapter already we have started lots of etiquettes related with playground, school and all we have already discussed. Today we will discuss about the cellular phone etiquette. Okay. So what is the point? That is cellular phone etiquette. Clear? So 5 points already there in the book. That points we will discuss. So what is the first you see? Impress people by getting rid of the ringtones. So the ringtone what we will set in our phone, that should be very attractive. It should not be like that it will disturb other people. Let's see. In order to keep people thinking highly of you, you really should avoid some ringtones, song ringtones. Okay, we should not keep song ringtones because it may divert other people. Whether the phone is ringing or the song is playing, they cannot understand properly. So the ringtone should be very proper. About the ringtone, we should be very prominent. We should not just impress people, others. Okay, people will impress by your ringtone. It should not be. Okay, so we have to be very careful about the ringtones while we are keeping it in our cellular phone. Next, silence is golden. Cell phones have a silent or vibrate mode. These modes are there already present in our cell phones. So this is a great way to still be aware of incoming calls or outgoing calls or text messaging without disrupting the people. So suppose you are in a meeting, suppose you are in a place where you should not disturb others. So in that point, you have to use those facilities what your cellular phone is providing you. That is the silent mode or the vibrating mode. You see, so that will just informing you that some calls are coming or some text messages are coming by vibrating it, or you'll be alert by it, but you should not disturb others. So as your phone is having this facility, so you should use this all without interrupting other people. Okay, let the phone do the work. So see, most cell phones have a modulator that picks up soft voices to make them sound louder. In fact, you could ever talk in a quiet, subdued voice and the other person would be able to hear you. You don't need to be loud, let the phone do it. That is a proper cellular phone etiquette. So few people, if you have seen that they are just talking loudly, it's a kind of they are shouting over the cellular phone. It is no needed. It is having its own facilities. It is having its modulator. It will make your voice loud. It will make your voice low. So just use that one. No need to shout over the phone to tell that you are talking with someone. Okay, it is what? It is just actually disturbing others. So use that one while you are having talking with someone. Don't just disrupt others or interrupt others. Just use that modulator of your phone to make your voice loud or slow. Clear? Number 5, you see, if possible, keep your distance. This will keep the other person happy and allow you the privacy you need for your phone call, no matter what you are talking about on the phone. So if you need some privacy, if you need to talk something, so just keep distance with others. Okay, go somewhere where no one will disturb you and you can talk within your phone very nicely. Is it? As for the rules, you should follow this etiquette. Privacy. If it is possible, keep your distance. Okay, so that you can talk over the phone properly. Okay, just maintain on that. After that, respect the person that you are with. So whoever is with you, just respect that person. Don't just be busy with your phone. It is a very bad etiquette. Okay, what is written here? You see, if you are with someone, especially in a social setting, keep the phone away. Spend the time to make them feel important. If suppose you are with your family, so you should be with your family only. Is it? You should not just use your phone on that time. Okay, so keep your phone away and spend the time with that person or that public place where you are, so that the person can feel that yes, he or she is important to you. Okay, so while you are in a public place or while you are spending time with some people are with you, that time you should not use your phone. You should keep that phone away and try to involve with the conversation around. Okay, so these are all the cellular phone etiquette 5 points. Okay, so just go through all the points and read out. Till then, thank you class.